Hello everyone, this is Ed from Conscious Rebhell and today I'm gonna show you.
Hello everyone, Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make tiramisu, but not the classic one, of course the vegan version, but a more summery version, so a little bit lighter than the usual one. Let's see how to make it. Okay, very simple recipe. So first thing, just put inside big pan all the milk and the cream. Mix them roughly together. Then get a sieve, a colander, however you want to call it, and start to add the flour, let's say half of the flour, and start to mix it. Keep on adding the flour, the other half of the flour, and just pass it through the sieve and keep on mixing. There we go. This way you know that it's not going to form any lump inside. Then you can add vanilla. I have the vanilla in powder, but it's okay even the liquid one. And you can now switch on under the pan on a low flame and add the sugar. And just a pinch of salt. You will need to mix without ever stopping until it's gonna boil. Every now and then just stop and check if it is boiling. While you're waiting for the milk to boil, you can start to dip your biscuits, any kind of biscuit. I use the digestive because it's the easiest one to find all over the world. So you can start to dip the biscuits quickly inside the coffee and just form a layer. Use the broken one for the little space that you can't fill with the whole ones, and just form another layer on top, filling up the gaps that you left. So in the end, because my container allowed me to, I added another 2 layers of biscuits. Okay, after a few minutes that you are mixing it, it will start to go thicker, as you can see. Just keep on mixing until it boils. Okay, now it's boiling, as you can see. So just keep on mixing for 1 minute and lower the flame so that we're gonna get a nice cream. After 1 minute, you can switch off under the pan and pour the whole content of the pan on your biscuits. Make sure to cover it completely. Just leave it to cool down for about an hour. Place it in the fridge for 3 hours. After the 3 hours passed, you can get cocoa powder, a little colander, and start to put the cocoa powder all around. And that's it. This is the final result. Amazing and light, a little bit lighter than the normal tiramisu, and is absolutely delicious. Look at that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and a Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to Tebe Studio UK channel. I will leave the link down below. Is my husband, and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much for me.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.